Thinglink, adding a floor plan to your 360 tour. I'm in Thinglink and I'm in content and I'm in my folder that I've created for this 360 tour. I've already put my hotspots onto my cropped map so that I'm ready to add these to each of my 360 photos as a floor plan to appear up in the top right corner. I want to edit my photo and then I need to go into settings, and here's where I find floor plan. When I click on floor plan, it asks me for the scene ID. To find the floor ID, I actually need to go back into that first photo that I've created, that is my map, and copy and paste it from here. So I've gone into this photo and I'm going to copy that number there that's in the URL between scene and editor. So I'm going to press Ctrl+C on my keyboard to copy and then get out of that and go into my image, go back into edit, go back into settings, and this time when I click on floor plan, I can press Ctrl+V to paste in that number. You'll now see that that map, that floor plan, appears in the top right of my screen, and I click on done. I need to repeat this for each of my photos, so it's an idea to do this all in one hit because I've still got that number saved in my paste. So settings, floor plan, Ctrl+V to paste, and done, and there it appears. Then I'm going to go into my next photo, go into the settings, floor plan, Ctrl+V to paste, and done. My next image, edit, settings, floor plan, Ctrl+V to paste, and done. Now that I've done that for each of my 6 photos, I can get on to adding the rest of my hotspots into each of my 360 photos.